nothing compares to the feeling that we're feeling now. Yung pangarap namin na talaga mapuntahan yung Eiffel Tower. Nandito napunta na namin, guys. Ang ganda ng pakiramdam dito, ang lamig, maraming tao dito kasi nag-enjoy sila dito. Tapos, you know what, next time you have to be here kasi talagang super romantic sa place na to. Guys, na-miss namin kayo dito.
Talaga dito sa Paris. Right now, I'm here at the Eiffel Tower and it's so amazing kasi ang laki-laki pala niya. And ito yung lagi natin naiisip pag sinabi Paris, diba? And ngayon, nandito na kami. It's so amazing that we can be here this year. It's just all because of Isara. So guys, decide what you really want. And who knows, in just a matter of years, you'll also be here to share this marvelous.
Enjoy ka ba?
Yes!
So,
ganda.
anong pakiramdam mo
Bawat
dito?
angle, maganda yung picture.
So,
Mahilig mag-picture dapat.
tulad ni Nino, marami dyan. Okay. So,
Mga taga yung sana mahilig pag-picture.
masaya ka ba?
Yes!
So, ano masasabi mo challenge para sa kanila?
Well, I would say that the climb is difficult, very challenging, but you know what? The view at the summit is worth it.
Tama yan.
So, it's worth it to climb the Isana Mountain. Sobrang grabe talaga. You will see the world with your Isana Mountain.
Actually, pinauna lang kami para maging tourist guide nyo later on. Kasi babalik pa tayo dito eh.